Sony presented the A80J 4K OLED TV for the first time at CES 2021. In 55, 65, and 77 inches, home theater enthusiasts can order the Sony A80J 4K OLED TV. The direct successor to the AH8 series provides some improvements, but unfortunately, we are missing a 48-inch version. Allegedly, the marketing of the AH9, 48-inch from 2020, will continue this year. But 55 inches should also look good. 3 improvements make the A80J 4K OLED a more than worthy successor to the AH8. Let's start with the Bravia XR platform. It's basically on the new Sony XR processor builds up. The X1 processor will be replaced in the high-end segment from X90J series. The increased performance of the SoC, system on chip, and an additional module for a trained artificial intelligence, AI, combined with a trained cognitive intelligence, should deliver a completely new listening and viewing experience. The A80J can use technologies such as XR motion clarity and XR 4K upscaling to fall back on. XR OLED contrast refers to the contrast booster, which should deliver a lively picture experience. The A80J as well as the big brother A90J each have 2 HDMI 2.1 ports. These are certainly accompanied by additional HDMI 2.0 ports, processing of 4K at 120 Hz HDR, auto low latency mode UND variable refresh rate included. It is not yet clear whether ALLM and VRR are already integrated when the devices are delivered or whether they will be delivered via firmware update. Sony has the integrated in the A80J 4K OLED TV Acoustic Surface Audio Plus. The Japanese manufacturer's OLED televisions are the only models that use vibrations to transform the display into a loudspeaker. With the new, higher performance actuators, the whole display can really vibrate. Don't worry, the vibrations are not visible. The sound comes more powerfully and directly from the direction of the picture. An additional subwoofer also provides the necessary bang. Last but not least, 3D surround upscaling mentioned, which upscales 2.1 stereo or 5.1 surround signals into a 5.1.2 3D signal. Included and definitely worth mentioning Dolby Vision HDR, Dolby Atmos, Netflix calibrated mode and IMAX enhanced. Behind ambient optimization, an RGB light sensor is hidden, which not only optimizes the brightness of the image, but also its color temperature based on the ambient information. The design of the A80J is also top-notch again. However, this is usually not that difficult, since the slim OLED panel always exudes a certain quality. Incidentally, the feet can be attached in 3 positions: flat, centered and raised. Finally, we can also mention Bravia Core, the new premium streaming service that is only available to Sony Bravia XR customers. With the purchase of an A80J, you receive a 24-month subscription, access to around 100 titles, and 10 movie credits for free. So what are your thoughts on the new A80J? Comment down below. Don't forget to hit a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech review updates. Thanks for watching.